Today I was doing a startup on this AC system. My first 3 circuits ran perfect, my last one didn't. Another company is doing all the ductwork. We're not doing the ductwork here, somebody else is doing all the ductwork. I started that unit, it ran fine. I started the little split, it ran fine. All first 4 circuits there. I had to pretty much just take this stuff off, open the supply and return so I could test it. So this way when they finally connect it, that's on them, whatever's going on with the ductwork. But here's what I'm trying to figure out, because this circuit's flat. I don't like flat circuits. You don't hear anything when connected. Doesn't even tighten though. So let's take that off. Do I have any gasket here? I have some gasket left. I need to upgrade my hoses anyway. All my gaskets, actually I could leave the hose. One-handed, this is not working out like I would like. There we go. Okay. Let's open both of these. I'm going to just send the pressure in here, which is not a lot, into my system. There we go. Hold it all in. Sent it into the suction side, so. Now, hear that? I'm wondering if this was an act of jealousy, because look at that. That's blowing out hard. How does a cut happen in my micro channel in the middle? Brand new. All we did was crane drop it in and connect the electric to it. No heat on the system, there's a boiler in the building. So we didn't even have to run gas pipe to it. We didn't do anything with the ductwork or anything. And here we are with a coil. To me, it looks like it's been cut. I'll let you guys decide what you think, if it's been cut, because these guys are putting stuff in and out. Maybe they were putting something into here, like a long piece of metal or something. I have seen them with tools inside. You can see things are being slid in and out. On here, you can see that there's marks from things going in and out of it. Things are getting slid in and out, so kind of looks like they were putting something in and they hit my coil. It was looking like a very easy Friday until I can't even get the soap bubbles to stay on there. Until that micro channel leak right there. To me, I'm actually thinking that most likely, I'm not going to say quite sabotage. I'm going to think more like an accident, that they accidentally hit it with something and it punctured the coil. I doubt it came from the factory like that though. I really do doubt it came from the factory where a whole circuit was flat. And in shipping, what would bang into the inside of that? I could see maybe on the outside coil, but I don't see the inside coil as much. As taking the beating like the outside. I mean, you could see scrape marks and marks from things getting pushed in and out. I think it was just an accident that they did. By accident they did that, or maybe from the manufacturer, but this is my Friday, this is what I'm running into. Till next time, I'm out.